Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and labeling bays so you don't scramble arrays. Take photos and notes. Next, remove the suspect disk and connect it to a laptop via USB 3 or SATA adapter. Use a write blocker when possible to avoid writes. Boot a Linux Live USB so you can work safely. Once booted, install SmartMon tools and test disk to inspect health and partitions. These steps let you gather status and avoid accidental overwrites before recovery. You now inspect the disk with SmartDL to see reallocated sectors and pending errors. That informs whether recovery is safe. Once you know the risk, image the drive with ddresq using a log file so you can resume. Run ddresq fn/dev/sdx img log file. Work exclusively from the image to preserve the original. Keeping the log file lets you perform slow, focused retries on bad areas without redoing successful reads. This maximizes recovered data while minimizing harm. You recover data from the image using test disk for partitions and file structure, or photorec for file carving when metadata is gone. If the NAS used RAID, assemble the imaged member files with mdatum assemble run, taking care to match original order and chunk size. This rebuilds the array in read-only mode. Once files are visible, copy them to separate storage and verify integrity. If something breaks, the key troubleshooting tip: stop and revert to the original image and try different ddresq.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.